Happy Mother's Day. Tayo magkakain yan. Hobbies. Yan, CIBO. CIBO. And they're famous for La Bisteca, ribeye steak. You get her menu. Okay. Happy Mother's Day. CIBO. Mother's Day tayo mga kabis. Ito kami nila. And then there's ito pala nila. CIBO. Okay, Happy Mother's Day. This is si Mami. Bili na. Okay, kain tayo. Kain tayo. Okay, let's look at the menu of CIBO. CIBO. Cafe Panteca, Restaurateur, Pastisseria, Pizzeria. So this is an Italian. Okay, so this is my story. In 1987, I began my journey in Italy, learning a very home-style approach to cooking from 3 Italian signori. With sessions at home kitchens, morning sessions about the rest, fresh ingredients to markets, overlands and dinners at different restaurants in Italy. I gained priceless knowledge and wisdom about country cuisine and cultural community. Oh, okay. So this is CIBO is from Margarita, Flores. Yeah. So famous chef. So I came back home, spent a decade living from passion, cooking to home. Slowly learned the ropes of peering to the machine in the service. I finally opened my first CIBO, modern Italian cafe Panteca, inspired much in okay, so this is Margarita Flores' signature CIBO. Menu. Roast pork ribs.
Sorry, sa big load po ng car.
Risotto balls, mozzarella. Okay. What else do they have? So they have antipasti starters. So they have melted cheese. Okay, they have panini. This is the Italian sandwich. Panini. And they have their salads. Okay, solo salads. Gourmet salads. And then they have their pastas. The fish dishes, pork, tenderloin, over chicken, this they have their pizza ovale, panzone. Let's try. This is their desserts. Dulce desserts. Okay, and then coffee, ice cream, and then there are shakes. Okay, this is their locations. Ano pa ang location ng CIBO? Glorieta, Shangri-La, Alabang, Promenade, Hillbelt, Eastwood, Robinsons, Aura, 30th, Manila Bay, Southwoods, Hudson City, UP Town Center, Orchis. Oh, they have so many rushes. Okay, let's try. And then their pizza oven, signature iced tea, mango and singer iced tea, mango shake. Okay. This is the, what is this now? Salad what? What is this? Ah, that's the beef salad. This is the pasta. And this is the spinach. What's this? Spinach? Spinach dip. Okay. Kain na tayo mga kabis. Okay, kain na tayo. Ito natin. Taste this. Let's try this one first. It's really good. This is the, what do you call this? Spinach dip. Is this with cheese? Mmm. Top. This is the pasta dish. This one. Right. Oh, it's very hot. Mmm. This one. Let's try this one. What's this? What do you call this? This is the beef salad. Oh wow. Wow, mommy will like this. Mommy will like this. It's beef with okay, that's it. Wag ko na lang. Okay.
Tapos dami mong kinain ng sushi.
Wala lang ganun eh.
Inubos mo yung dalawang.
Konti lang yun, dapat marami. Anak, what's your impression about the salad? The beef.
Good.
Good, huh? How about this one? Spinach dip. This one you haven't tasted. Try this one. Try now. This is the sandwich. Mommy's sandwich. I don't know what this is. Okay, man. Kumain natin. Ito. Vegetarian to eh. Walang lahat. Puro gulay.
Ba't kasi vegetarian?
Bakit si mami?
Hindi mo tayo vegetarian. Cheese yan.
Gusto ka gulay.
Ito, vegetarian ka ba?
Okay, this is my final review. Well, I think I'm impressed. Very, very well executed in dishes. Alam mo yung chef ko yung ginawa. So not too salty, not too sweet, not too eksakto lang. Eksakto lang ba? Mahirap yun eh. Mahirap yun yung doso. Eksakto lang yung ano niya. Okay, I give this a 5 stars. 5 stars for CIBO. You agree? Thank you. Okay, bill reveal tayo sa CIBO. Price is 2777.60. Okay. Subscribe, share, and like to your friends.